Is your child stuck writing short, choppy sentences? It is time to master synthesis and transformation. In our online course for Singapore Primary 1 and 2 students, we teach how to combine simple thoughts into smooth, smart sentences. We focus on the word which. Imagine turning "Lily had a water bottle, and it was lost in the train" into a single, flowing statement. Lily had a water bottle which was lost in the train. This simple change creates a more sophisticated and natural narrative flow. This skill is a total game changer for composition writing. Instead of fragmented thoughts, your child will learn to construct sentences that flow naturally, boosting their confidence in both reading and writing. Mastering this technique early prepares them for school exams and builds a strong foundation for English proficiency. Our course offers full flexibility, with recorded lessons and step-by-step voice explanations. Your child can practice with worksheets and review answer keys at their own pace. Give them the tools for clarity and precision. Join our course today and watch their writing transform.